Today we're going to talk about formats and formulas in the design studio and how they work. A couple values we're going to look at today is strokes per minute and control mode and how we would manipulate those. So if we click on strokes per minute, we've already assigned the tag or the sensor to it, but if you notice, it's coming out as 258. And we know that we're not going to have 258 strokes per minute. So we look and realize that it's actually a value that's strokes per hour, and we have to divide it by 60 to get strokes per minute. So what we're going to do is we open up this options, and this is where we really have formulas, dictionaries, and labels, and these are really where we manipulate the numbers. And then we have formatting up here. We have dates, times, duration, scientific, percentage, IP address, number, and plain text. So first, usually what I like to do is I like to tell it that it's a number. So we can see that here. Because it's a number, I can now get rid of decimal points. But what I could then do is I could then apply a formula. Now, when we create a formula, we'd hit edit. We'd go here and we'd add a formula. I've already created this one. I call it strokes per minute. So if I click on it, you notice I named it strokes per minute. And really, I took the value divided by 60. X is the value that we're using divided by 60. We can go in here and create any type of formula, exponential, whatever it might be, we can add to this and make any format we want. All right, so we're going to go ahead and apply strokes per minute. All right, so now you can see that it went from 258 to 4.3, and that looks more accurate. It's 4.3 strokes per minute. All right, so now if you notice our preview took off the decimal point, so it just says 4. So we want to go and follow that back out. And maybe we just want to keep it at one decimal point, 4.3. All right. We're also going to look at control mode. So many times we get a list of statuses, states, errors, on, off, and they come in as an integer, and we need to change them into a word. Or sometimes we need to map one integer to another integer. So in doing so, we would use a dictionary. A dictionary is a powerful tool. So if we click on dictionary, we can go here, and I've already mapped one called Sam's control, and I could just simply apply it. And if you notice, since it was a 1, it instantly said, okay, this is a downhole, and it would show up downhole. But we're going to and see how to set one of those up. So if we click on edit, I can go down here to Sam's controller, control mode. I've already created this dictionary. If I go here and hit edit, you can see each definition. If it comes in as a 0, we'll display surface. If it comes in as a 4, we'll display downhole. And we can keep adding to this. These definitions could be as long as you need. And then we simply apply it to the object. When we go ahead and we'll hit save and exit, we'll save it for all linked views. And now when we look at this, go ahead and let it process. All right, now we can see that we changed that number. Now it says 4.2 on strokes per minute, and our control mode now says downhole. So formats and formulas can get us a lot of different manipulations of the values to get us exactly what we want. One other thing we could do as well, let's say this was a strokes per minute and I didn't have strokes per minute labeled underneath. Again, I could go here, I can go find a label, I can add a label. We go in here and just say SPM, I hit save, and now that's in here, I would select it, and when I hit save, let it process and rebuild. You'd notice that it says 4.2 SPM. So it makes it really nice to add labels. This could be PSI, foot pounds, whatever it might need to be. And that's it.